Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel Shubham Raj Singh and Co. So today what we are going to learn? So today we are going to learn about the pages on WordPress websites. Okay. So for that you need a WordPress website. If you have not yet watched that video, the how you can create your first website within 10 minutes using WordPress with like free website. So I will give a information tab over here. Go and check that video first. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's just start it. So you need a WordPress website. You have to log in into your dashboard with the admin access, means the admin of the user can only create pages. So make sure that you are the admin of the website. So I am currently logged as an admin. You can see it here. Okay. So today we're going to see pages, all about pages. Okay. So there is nothing much about pages, but I am actually what we can say, going through each and everything of the WordPress dashboard. That's why I'm like covering each and everything. So I am done with post. If you have not yet seen this video, I'll be giving a information tab over here. The media, like whole thing, like what is media tab. If you have not watched that video also, I will be giving a link over here. So today we're going to see pages, and I have also covered themes under appearance. So if you have not watched that video, make sure to watch that video. I will give an information tab over here, and plugins as well. I have covered that in a separate video. I will also be giving the link for that video as well here. And users, I have covered that video also in a previous video. So if you have not watched that video, do watch that video. I will be giving a link over here. So okay, so let's get started with pages. Okay, so pages, so in pages we do have only two options, that is all pages and add new. So all pages will be each and every page on your website. Like there's a difference between post and pages. Okay, posts are actually articles, but pages can be anything. Like pages can be a write-up, or maybe what we can say, graphics, or maybe something else with a, what we can say, a form, or maybe something, anything. Okay, so pages are different from post. Pages are not post, post are not pages. Okay, post will be shown under blog, pages will not be shown under blog. Okay, posts are created to make articles, blogs, that's it. Okay, pages are made in order to, you can like create pages of the website, excluding post, which is articles or blogs. Okay, so yeah, so when you go to all pages, you will show each and every page on your website. Currently we only have like two pages, that is privacy policy and the sample page. Okay, so this is the privacy policy. The one more page which will be added here when you like proceed in creating the website is a home page. Okay, so home page will be created over here, as well as some other pages like facts, maybe contact us form page, maybe something else and something else. It's a kind of a chain of like pages. So there are like multiple pages you will be needing on the first page in order to start your website. Like a very good practice, like you do have a privacy policy page, you have a terms and condition page, you do have a fact page, you do have a home page, you do have a contact us page, you do have a, what we can say, about us page. So make sure that you create each and every page. Okay, yeah, so this is the almost every page, that is we do have like only two pages here. The first one is a privacy policy, so it comes with like a default template of the privacy policy. You can like add your name, or you can change the clause or something, but it's like default template. Okay, sample page is nothing, but it's a page generated when you install WordPress. So that's it. So here you can see there are three options, four options. The first one is edit, the second one is quick edit, the Third one is bin. Bin means you can like delete or trash it, and the fourth one is preview. Okay, and same with this thing. So what is quick edit? Quick edit is when you are when you are in hurry and you don't want to go inside. Like if I create edit page and this whole edit, uh, it will open a whole edit portion for this privacy policy. But when I go with quick edit, it will just show me the like a limited editability, uh, which is a very quick, like uh, you can like turn it to private page, or you can do something like a very quick thing. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just start it. Yeah, so when you click on edit, so it will, I will just show you how it looks when you click on edit. So when you click on edit, it will show the same as post, like all the option for your editing and each and everything over here, and the same with the document, like the visibility, public, the publishes immediately. You can what we can, you can check this pending review, and it will be uh, it will be stating that it is the review is pending. You can delete it. You can use permalink, like the permalink for this is the website name plus slash this thing privacy. So you can see it here. Yeah, if you want to set any featured image, you can do that. So same as what we can say post, you can allow comments, but on pages you don't have to do that thing. No one does that. And there's a page attribute that you want a full width template. So when you add some plugins like Elementor or maybe DV, you will be seeing their template as well. You can like do a hierarchy also, like who is the parent of this page. Okay, yeah, and the block is like this thing. So yeah, that's it. So let's go and I will show you a quick edit. So when you click on quick edit, you can see that you can change title, you can change slug. Slug is actually the URL, the website slash privacy policy. You can like schedule the post, you can make it private or maybe password protected. You can choose a parent, you can choose the order, you can choose a template. Okay, so it's a very short, like you cannot change the content of this page, but you can change all the necessary details like title, slug, date, the status, publish, pending review, and each and everything. Okay, I think now you understand that what is the difference between edit and quick edit. When you click on bin, it will go to trash and it will be shown here. I will just delete this in a few seconds. When you click on preview, it will show you a page. Okay, which is actually a privacy policy page right now. Okay, so yeah, so right now you have seen the all pages. Let's go and create one page. Okay, so we will go forward and create add new, or you can click add new over here, or you can click add new, new plus click on page. Okay, so it will, what it will do is it will create a page. So I will be going forward and I will be clicking add new. So you have to give title. For example, I will be just doing home page. Okay, so this I just created this as a home page, and yeah, this is home page. Okay, so this is the home page which I created. You can just the visibility. I will show, not change it. This is the home page. Okay, so I will not change anything, like it will be public, it will be immediately published, the permalink will be home page. I don't want to set featured image, discuss no page attribute. Okay, so sometimes you may see here home page. Okay, yeah, it is not showing here, but sometimes you will see. So you can choose over here, and So yeah, that's how you create a page. And when you are like done with each and every setting, okay, so you can go forward and you can just publish it. Okay, so you can also make this as a code editor also, but visual editor is good because most of the people who use WordPress are most probably will be from non-programming background. Okay, so yeah, so you can show use the tool as well, block manager. And yeah, that's all. What is under option? Okay, so there is under option page attribute custom block, nothing much. Okay, yeah, so once you are done with like creating each and everything and reviewing it, you can go forward. You can even check the preview of the website, like how it looks on desktop, tablet and mobile phone. So I will be just going forward with the desktop and clicking on preview. So it will show how the page will look. This is how the page will look. Okay, on the desktop, let's go for tablet. Tablet will be on tablet, it will be shown like this, and wallet will be shown like this. Okay, let's close this thing. Okay, so you can publish it or you can save it as a draft. Okay, so the draft is already saved, so I will be going forward and publishing it. So okay, so I am publishing, I am ready to publish. Double check your settings before publishing. Okay, so I will be publishing this. It is now published and it is live on our website. Okay, this home page. Let's go backward and go to, okay, you can see that the home page is created. Okay, yeah, so how you can now delete the pages. You can click, if it's a single page, you can go and select on bin and it will be deleted. If it's a multiple page like this and this, so you can go forward and use the bulk action and you can move to bin and apply. Okay, so it will, the page which you move to trash or bin is not actually deleted permanently, it is into your recycle bin. If you want to restore it, you can restore it by clicking restore, or if it's a multiple, you can select whatever pages you need and you can restore it. So right now I will just restore the home page and I will delete permanently the sample page. Okay, so here it is, home page in the privacy policy page. So I will I will go forward and delete this also. So it is like it is a two-step process in order to delete a page permanently. Yeah, so yeah, that's all about pages tab on WordPress dashboard. I hope that you like this video and make sure to do like, share, comment and subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.